Hello everyone, Andy B here with another HobbyDB tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to use the new pricing tool. You're going to love it. First, let's start by making sure you've got the right database entry pulled up in a separate tab. We're looking for Freddie, Funko, Letterman. Watch for your different variants, things like that. This one only has one particular instance, so we're going to click through. Here we are. Now we're going to navigate over to eBay to grab our sold listing. So in the search field, you're going to type Freddie, Funko, Letterman, or whatever your item is. And we're going to scroll down through the filter options on the left down to show only. We're going to click sold items so that it only shows items which have already sold. Nothing active will appear here. Let's choose this one. It looks like a good option. You're going to need to click through again where it says sold over here to get to the next thing, where we actually have the item listing page. So scroll down, you're going to watch for all the normal things, all the usual criteria, mint boxes, things like that. So this looks good. We're going to scroll down to the description area where we find the eBay item number on the right side here. We're going to highlight copy and we're going to head back to the database page. Now scroll down to the curator options here, set of blue buttons, add eBay sale. Here we are. This field here, paste. We're going to click save to add it to the sales history. If it's already been added, this particular sale, once you save, it's going to show you a thing that says that it was unsuccessful, that we already have the pricing in there. Otherwise, it'll just say successful. Remember that it can take up to 24 hours for the actual data to show in the sales history. So I believe we've already added this particular item. We're going to click save, and it's going to show us the red, we already have this eBay sale message. But that's it. If it hadn't already been added, you would see successful, and there we have it. So if you have any questions, please always reach out to us at support@hobbydb.com. And thanks for listening. Stay tuned for more HobbyDB tutorials.